Hello everyone, welcome back to Angel Lab channel. If you are new to this channel, my name is Kiran, and on this channel we build a real-world AI agent, MCP server, Microsoft Copilot Studio solution, Azure AI application, and enterprise AI integration from scratch. So in today's video, we are going to connect our local MCP server with the Microsoft Copilot Studio so that our AI agent can securely communicate with our custom tools using our running on our local machine. So before we begin, if you haven't watched my previous video where we built our enterprise log analyzer MCP server from scratch using a Python and FastMCP, I highly recommend you watching that video first because today's tutorial continue from there. And if you are finding this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Engineering Lab. It really motivates me to create more enterprise AI content like this. So now let's get started. In this video, we'll cover why localhost doesn't work with the Copilot Studio. Expose our local MCP server using a ngrok. So for that, to check if our local MCP server is working or not, first you need to open new terminal and there go to our local folder, the enterprise log analyzer, and there run the command that is to invoke our server. So Python http server.py. So now here you can see our server is running on the localhost, and after that, just check if this server is accessible on our MCP inspector or not. So for that, just go to our folder first and then open the MCP inspector, and it will open the MCP inspector in our web browser. Okay, so here you just need to enable it and go to the tool. Here you can see all the tools that we have configured on our MCP: analyze log, find errors, find exception, and summarize log. Now go to our Visual Studio Code and connect our local MCP with the ngrok. So for that, open the new terminal. To connect our MCP server with the ngrok, you need this key authentication token. So just copy this token from here, ngrok website, and go to the Visual Studio Code. First check the ngrok version installed in my system. So for that, you just need to run the command ngrok version. And here you can see the ngrok version 3.39 is installed in my system. You need to have at least 3.20 to connect our MCP server with ngrok. So now go to our folder, study, and enterprise log analyzer. And here that we are going to authenticate this local MCP with the ngrok. So for that, just need to run the ngrok config and add auth token and just copy this authentication token and paste it here and just enter it. So it will save this token in our configuration file. Okay, so after that, you have to check if this you have to run a command ngrok http and 8000. So here you can see our public URL has created. This is our public URL. Using that URL, we should be able to connect our MCP server with the Microsoft Copilot Studio. So now check if our that endpoint URL is working or not. So for that, go to your project folder and run this command invoke web request, and this is our public URL, and append MCP to that. So it's working perfectly. We are getting status code as 200. So that means there is no issue with this public URL. Now we have to connect this MCP to the Microsoft Copilot Studio. Now go to the Copilot Studio, create new agent here. Just click on the create blank agent and provide the name. I'm going to provide the enterprise log analyzer. And that just need to click on the create. After creating this agent, you have to add a tool. So go to the tool, click on Add Tools, and here we will see option to connect our MCP server. Just click on that. So here you have to provide the MCP server name. It can be anything. So I'm going to provide it as an enterprise log analyzer. And provide the server description. It will be at least 30 characters. So I'm going to provide it as a random values. And just copy this MCP URL and paste it there. That is a server URL. So here we are not set up any authentication, so keep it as unknown and just click on the create button. Okay. So it will now start connecting our local MCP with the Microsoft Copilot Studio. So after that, you have to set up the connection here. Now just click on the create new connection, provide the connection name, and click on the create button. Click on the add a button. Now Copilot Studio will able to communicate with our local MCP server and automatically discover all the available tools. Okay, so after that, here you can see our tools are added. So now let's test our solution. I just sent a command analyze log, and here asking us to set up the connection. So now just click on the connection manager, connect it, select the connection, and click on the submit button. So now our connection is set up. You go to the agent and just click on the retry button. Now instead of answering from the local language model alone, the agent now invoke our custom MCP tools running on our local machine. So this is one of the biggest advantage of the MCP. It allows agent to physically interact with the enterprise applications. So now asking us to add the server logs. So I'm attaching our server logs from my local machine and just click on the send icon. Now it will analyze my log file and provide you with a response. So here you can see it start providing me the response. So here is our response. In this response, it says that there are some, this is the overview, there are some critical errors are there, and there are some null pointer exception, unauthorized access exception, and some warnings are also there in our logo. So in the real world, how can you use this? Imagine replacing our log analyzer with the enterprise systems such as Azure DevOps, Enterprise ServiceNow, Jira, or SharePoint. So using our MCP, your Copilot Studio agent can interact with all those systems through your own custom tools. So this is why MCP is becoming one of the most important technology for the enterprise AI. So just to summarize this, we have successfully connected our local MCP server with the Microsoft Copilot Studio. In just few steps, we have disposed of local server using an ngrok verified endpoint, connected it with the Copilot Studio, and enable our AI agent to use custom enterprise tools. So in next video, we'll make our MCP server even more powerful by adding the authentication and deploying it to the Azure and integrating it with the real enterprise application. So if you enjoy this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends and colleagues, and subscribe to Engineering Lab channel. So also click the notification bell so you never miss the future video on our AI agent, Microsoft Copilot Studio, MCP server, Azure AI, and enterprise automation. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.